Deoxygenation System. Excessive oxygen content in water can cause oxidation and corrosion of boiler equipment, reduce the pressure-bearing capacity of the boiler, and affect boiler safety and economic operation. The common deoxygenation methods currently include thermal deoxygenation, vacuum deoxygenation, chemical deoxygenation, and sponge iron deoxygenation methods, and so on. Ruanshine adopts the ceramic hermetic head-face sealing technology, and developed the deaerator control valve F85. It is used in dual-chamber sponge iron normal temperature filtration deaerators. The sponge iron reacts with the oxygen in water to generate soft flocculent substances that are insoluble in water, and impurities are discharged through backwashing. Due to the relatively large specific gravity of sponge iron, which requires high backwashing intensity, a design of simultaneous operation of the left and right chambers and separate backwash of each chamber is adopted. This can double the backwashing intensity to achieve the desired flushing effect. The water for backwashing can choose either deoxidized water or raw water. When the deaerator control valve F85 is in service, the softened water enters through the inlet, passes through the top strainer, flows from top to bottom through the filter material layers in the upper left and right chambers of the deaerator, and then flows out from the outlet through the lower left and right chambers. When the left chamber is in backwash, the water in the deoxidized water tank enters through the inlet via backwashing pump, and flushes the filter material in the upper left chamber from bottom to top through the lower left chamber. The wastewater passes through the top strainer and flows out from the drain port. When the right chamber is in backwash, the water in the deoxidized water tank enters through the inlet via backwashing pump and flushes the filter material in the upper right chamber from bottom to top through the lower right chamber. The wastewater passes through the top strainer and flows out from the drain port. When it is in fast rinse, softened water enters through the inlet, passes through the top strainer, and flows from top to bottom through the filter material layers of the left and right upper chambers, and is discharged from the drain port through the left and right lower chambers. In addition, common filter valves such as N75 and N77 can also be used to design the deoxygenation system based on the backwash flow rate. This is the application case of N75A automatic filter valve used in the deoxygenation system of a pharmaceutical factory in Landshau. Two sets of sponge iron deoxygenation systems are composed of N75A automatic filter valve and a 40 cubic meter per hour F90D disc filter, which service in parallel for water supply. The oxygen content in the outlet water meets the standard requirements.